Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli both were seen training at the Perth Stadium today. It has been like eventful a few days because the flight from Singapore to Perth got delayed. What did you make of the first day at Nets?
Everything is getting delayed, just like Rohit Sharma's retirement.
DS says Pratyush Raj is a shameful guy. He knows how to come live and insult our Indian players. Such a shameful thing.
पीछे नहीं पड़े, but it's just I'm talking with facts. 2 साल में कोई 41 साल का हो जाएगा. We're not like this. I mean, I can't fathom the fact that someone can take Indian cricket like अपनी पुश्तैनी जमीन है कि हाँ मेरा एक सपना रह गया है, मैं ये पूरा करना चाहता हूँ. मेरा भी सपना स्विट्जरलैंड घूमने का, अभी नहीं पूरा हो पाएगा तो क्या करें. रोहित शर्मा ने क्या बोला था, पेन पेपर माइक समथिंग, नो फर्क नहीं पड़ता कौन क्या बोले नहीं बोले, लैपटॉप पेन पेपर माइक, तो मुझे भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
मुझे भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
तो ये तो मतलब ठीक है, क्लिप काट लो कुछ भी काट लो, फैक्ट तो फैक्ट है. आई थिंक जो पूरा सेल्फलेस का जो आई मीन लीडिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट एवरीथिंग, मैं सब मानता हूँ, सब एवरीथिंग इज जस्टिफाइड, बट just to like there are few things that I don't agree with. Okay, selection पे debate होता ही है.
The day started already with a post from Virat Kohli on his X account at 10 a.m. and it seemed to suggest that he's going to fight on. And for 2 hours, the entire Indian cricket ecosystem was buzzing that this is the response from Virat Kohli. But in 2 hours time, it all went downhill because then we realized it was a brand endorsement. And 2 hours later, he went on to the field and started training along with Rohit Sharma. What are the signals that we are getting now?
When it comes to Virat Kohli, the stature, the command he has over Indian cricket, at this moment, I don't think he needs to make any statement on social media as such. And those kind of, so when the tweet came out, people shared it with me, and I thought, let's wait on it for a while. These cricketers of this magnitude, they are very shrewd with their social media thing. Everything is priced, so they earn a lot through their social media posts.
Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli both were seen training at the Perth Stadium today. It has been like eventful a few days because the flight from Singapore to Perth got delayed. Everybody kept waiting, and then finally they landed up. So they landed up in 2 batches, and finally the first batch went out and started training. What did you make of the first day at Nets?
Everything is getting delayed, just like Rohit Sharma's retirement. Just like what I make of this net is just like, it was first day, it was an optional. I think only 5 guys joined the optional training. So there was KL Rahul and the 2 bowlers, Arshdeep and Harshit Rana. So it was good. I mean, the fans were in numbers, whatever the visual that came. Obviously, I mean, in Dubai, people were saying at the ICC Academy, there used to be like around 1,000 fans. जब वो दोनों आते थे. And during the Asia Cup, it was like the numbers were very few. So good for the fans. I don't know how good it is for the Indian cricket, as I think Arani has reported that day only. He has reported about their performance will be judged on their performance will be judged. It will be on the merit, how they are performing or not. So big 3 matches. I think Gautam Gambhir has made it categorically clear कि अभी ये रन बनाना होगा तभी आगे देखेंगे. Otherwise, I mean, Ravi Shastri, all the podcasts everywhere in Australia is saying it's like done, it's khatam, ab ho gaya. But I think they are. I mean, मुझे लगता है तो रोहित शर्मा का तो हो जाना चाहिए यार. But Virat Kohli in ODI cricket is, again, I'm repeating myself, is in autopilot mode. Can play 2031 also, but yeah. Let be selfless. Give the other Bombay boy a chance. It's a Sri Jaiswal.
DS says Pratyush Raj is a shameful guy. He knows how to come live and insult our Indian players. Such a shameful thing.
पीछे नहीं पड़े, but it's just I'm talking with facts. 2 साल में कोई 41 साल का हो जाएगा. We're not like this. I mean, I can't fathom the fact that someone can take Indian cricket like अपनी पुश्तैनी जमीन है कि हाँ मेरा एक सपना रह गया है, मैं ये पूरा करना चाहता हूँ. मेरा भी सपना स्विट्जरलैंड घूमने का, अभी नहीं पूरा हो पाएगा तो क्या करें. उसके चक्कर में अभी ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है. बट एज लाइक वी हैव स्पोकन इनफ अबाउट रोहित शर्मा, ठीक है, विल सी हाउ ही परफॉर्म्स. इवन इफ ही परफॉर्म्स, लाइक it's injustice on people like Yashasvi Jaiswal and Abhishek Sharma who are waiting in the wings. I feel that an Indian cricket may, and again like I'll just add another thing कि अभी 8 kg वेट लूज करना, 10 kg 18 साल में पहली बार रियलाइज हुआ क्या वेट लूज करना है. एंड देन देयर इज अ गाय हु हैज इंस्पायर्ड अ entire generation on his fitness. So comparison नहीं है दोनों का. If he score a century, I'll be trolled left, right, center. So I am ready for that also. But जो भी हो, it was a wrong decision. I think Rohit Sharma का हो गया यार, हो गया. This is like dragging his career.
There's a question for you, Aruni. Sports fan says अब सही में कोई announcement होगी तो भी कोई भाव नहीं देगा बेड़िए की कहानी की तरह.
नहीं देखो, विराट कोहली का अगर अनाउंसमेंट होता है तो पूरी दुनिया भाव देगी. वो तो मतलब कैनॉट डाउट द पॉपुलैरिटी ऑफ विराट कोहली. आई एम सॉरी टू से, यस, इफ एन अनाउंसमेंट कम्स, ही इज अ बिग लेजेंड, इज अ big player, best in this generation after Tendulkar that has played for India, and across formats he's dominated across formats. So let's give him that much respect, कि ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भाव नहीं देगा.
Satyam Singh says, Pratyush Raj, will you like to be fired on seniority or performance? Any reason why you hate Rohit? Did Fab 4 and Test of India lack a lot of talent? This is their best performance. DS says, Pratyush, why you jealous with Rohit? You are such a shameful guy. I have never seen such a shameful guy like Pratyush. Why you hate Rohit so much? Look at yourself first, bloody person. Anit Sadhu says, Pratyush, you talk about moving ahead of Shami, Rohit, because the players are there in the bench and newbies get opportunity. Why not that applies for VK? Are not the players available to replace him? Umama Mahida says, बस कर दो भाई प्रत्युष सर, आप वीक थम जाओ. आप मतलब ही सेइंग प्लीज रिलैक्स करो, मतलब इतना ज्यादा मत करो.
रोहित शर्मा ने क्या बोला था, पेन पेपर माइक समथिंग, नो फर्क नहीं पड़ता कौन क्या बोले नहीं बोले, लैपटॉप पेन पेपर माइक, तो मुझे भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता एज लॉन्ग एज मेरे एडिटर मुझे मना करे बोलने से. तो ये तो मतलब ठीक है, क्लिप काट लो, कुछ भी काट लो, फैक्ट तो फैक्ट है. आई थिंक जो पूरा सेल्फलेस का जो आई मीन लीडिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट एवरीथिंग, मैं सब मानता हूँ, सब एवरीथिंग इज जस्टिफाइड. बट just to like there are few things that I don't agree with. Okay, selection पे debate होता ही है, but अभी सामी पे बोल रहे हैं लोग. तो I think अरनी भाई ने एक सामी की स्टोरी की थी. It's been 6 months I think after that injury, that knee वाला, साल हो गया. आप देख ही लो, and all the wickets and what he has taken for Bengal is tailenders mostly. So coming back to like रोहित शर्मा का, ठीक है, मतलब there is no personal vendetta or anything. I don't think किसी को फर्क भी पड़ेगा. जो ट्रोल आर्मी है उसको भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, मुझे तो बिल्कुल नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि बहुत ही ढीठ हूँ मैं नेचर से.